Hi, if you like collecting books and scrapbooking materials, this is going to be perfect for you. It comes with many different types of pens, colors, shapes. It comes with two tape rolls, glue, little charms, a stamp, little magnets, two unique hair clips, and stickers for your 2 notebooks. This is an ideal gift, or if you're like me and you like collecting scrapbooks and diaries, this could be the perfect gift for yourself.